If I really think about it, I've probably always been a midwife. I was that little girl who's playing mums and babies, and my Barbie dolls were always pregnant, and even in high school art was always surrounded around pregnant women, so self-confessed birth junkie. And I was drawn to it, I think, when I was with my girlfriend and she had her first baby when she was 19. I realised that that was actually a career path. What brings me joy is watching women find themselves. So through that pregnancy journey, it's about building a trust and an intuition, really discovering themselves in pregnancy, learning about their baby as it grows and developing. And in that birth scenario, when we're with women in labour, it's them finding their courage sometimes, going to the real depths of themselves to find that strength and step into motherhood being strong. Our program here at UniSC prepares students for practice through, I think, fostering a really solid foundational knowledge and deep respect for normal physiology. We also layer that by scaffolding more complex understanding around areas of midwifery and obstetric care. Students have got the access to a great midwifery lab where they're able to learn and practice their midwifery skills before heading out into the workplace. Work integrated learning has great relationships with our industry partners, both locally and further afield, where they complete 800 hours of clinical placement. Certainly midwifery can take you in lots of directions. You can go into management. We've got midwives that are working as directors of midwifery. You can work as a private practice midwife, so supporting women in the community. We had a student not long ago that left and worked for Royal Flying Doctors. So there's lots of different areas that you can go into. Being a midwife, we have lots of highs, but with those also sometimes come some lows. For example, it might be with a woman who's experienced a stillbirth. While there's some real reward that comes out of working with those women, it can also be really heartbreaking. I think you definitely need some resilience because it can be really tough sometimes, and absolutely some passion. Passion for being with woman, holding that space while she is finding her way, whether that's an easy journey or not. If you enjoy it, if it's something that you think you'll love, jump in, be passionate, be dedicated, not just to your studies, but to the women and families that you work with. Sometimes it can be hard, but I think what you put in, you'll definitely get out.